Hi guys, it's Tim from Advancing Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this pretty awesome Porsche Cayenne S. It's a 65 plate, so 2016. It's the E-hybrid model, so you get some cool little styling functions. And yeah, so as well as doing CarPlay, which we've upgraded into the PCM, we have also installed the Porsche Smart Module. Now, this module is a box of tricks that gets installed into the data network of the car in the tailgate to give you some optional extra functions which are pretty cool, to be fair, and I'm just going to run through a couple of them now. So this module works with the Cayenne, the Panamera and the Macan. So if you've got one of those vehicles, then this module should work. Now, some of these functions work specifically with certain models and some don't, but you're going to get the majority of it. So the first and foremost, if you unlock the car, you can also push and hold the unlock button and it starts doing your mirrors, your windows, and also it opens up the sunroof, which is pretty cool. If you lock the car, just lock it, you'll get notice two things. Firstly, the windows and the sunroof have gone down, and also you've got a chirp on the alarm system. So I'll just do that again. There you go, pretty cool. So that's a couple of those features. The next one is quite something different. I've not really seen this on a car before, so we'll just unlock it. Take a note of the wing mirrors. We'll open the door, but as you open the door, and whilst the door is open, the indicators are flashing. So you've got this one here, and we've got that one there. And then as soon as you close the door again, they will then stop, which is pretty cool. Okay, next function, push and hold of the trunk button. Tailgate opens up and stays up. And then we're gonna just push it again. Push and hold, let go. Tailgate comes down, which is really cool. So as a lot of this function you can't get from factory, and that's where this module comes in. Next one I'm going to show you is I'm going to just turn the ignition on. You can see the mirrors have come out, and just for argument's sake, windows down on the front and the rear. So get out, take your keys with you. Mirrors are still out, they were flashing because we've got that function enabled. Mirrors open, we're going to open the tailgate. So we've pretty much got everything open bar the sunroof. So all we're going to do is one click of the lock. Mirrors are folding in, windows going up, sunroof closing, tailgate closing. So it's a really cool function. So if you've got loads of functions, loads of windows open or mirrors or anything like that, then you're gonna get all those functions to close for you. The most handy feature, of course, is your mirrors. So when you're just using your mirrors, I'll just demonstrate that just on its own. So we'll unlock, get in, key in the ignition, key out the ignition. We'll just do it from the front. So mirrors are out, one lock, double chirp at the beep of the alarm to say it's locked, and your mirrors are folded in. So this is the Porsche Smart Module. Like I said, works with the Macan, the Cayenne and the Panamera. If you've got a vehicle like this, the installation's quite not too bad actually, so we can either do it for you or it comes with instructions from the manufacturer so that you can install it yourself. If you've got any questions, then let me know. We'll link the product to the video in the description below, and it will come up in a card in a second. If you get a moment and you enjoy our videos, whether you're a Porsche owner or just general car enthusiast, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out and gives us that sort of warm and fuzzy feeling. Likewise, if you want to know when we're getting those videos out there, click the little bell notification.